I had a wooden van, it had a wooden shell. The van that just keeps giving. I apologise for trying to be shoddy. Please forgive me. I'm gonna stick my dirty old finger up there. It had a wooden chassis, it was rotten as hell. Rotten all the way along. Weird, I wouldn't have done that. Oh, what do you know? That wooden van wouldn't bloody go. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Tired boy. Right, so what we're doing is we're tackling this corner. So I've took this trim off here. Yeah, nasty. Undid all the screws. Obviously, I'm going to have to reseal it all again. I'm going to have to get underneath here as well, because that's gone under there. It's all rotten under there. So I'll replace the batten going up to there and the batten going up to there. I'm not even going to attempt to get the toilet out. It's not necessary anyway. I'll just leave that. So let's go in. Call me shoddy if you want, but what a ball like that will be. So we're going to replace all of this, all these timbers all the way down. I'll get down as far as I can get. You never know, I might be able to get it in there actually, but we'll see. And obviously you can see daylight through there, which is not good. So we need to get something in there, some timber in there. We need to make sure this is sealed up and everything, and then fill it, and then we're going to paint it. And what I've got is this stuff: wall, tile and panelling, suitable for ceramic, wood and plastic. It's like a two-part paint. It takes 10 days to go off, so we're going to get this done, painted, and then crack on with the outside. Hopefully that'll do it. Right, so we're underneath the van. I don't know if you can see this. This is underneath the shower tray, and there was wood all along here, which is all rotten. It goes all the way down, all the way down, rotten. But this is like the skirt. This timber here, this one in here, rotten all the way along. This corner, all rotten. Look at it. That's the shower tray under there, and it doesn't feel like it's going to cave in, but the sheets of ply are all coming off and everything. So all this needs to be done. I don't know for the life of me. Then this is insulation here, and then they've just got timber, and it's all exposed. So no wonder it's rotten. Weird. I wouldn't have done that. And so that is that trim there. So that's the bottom of the shower tray. So you can see it's all flexing. So that trim all has to come off. I don't know how far down it goes, the rot, but that's the skirt underneath, which is just ply and wood. Crazy. But that's another job. That's for the outside. It's the van that keeps giving. The van that just keeps giving. Giving and giving. Rot, that is. Lots of it. I couldn't do it. I heard you. I could hear you as soon as I said it. I hear all the van builders, van converters all screaming out, "No, don't be shoddy, Brent, don't be shoddy." So I've took the toilet door off. Look, it's rotten. Rotten everywhere. So I'm going to have to get all this out. I apologise for trying to be shoddy. Please forgive me. I had a wooden van, it had a wooden shell. It had a wooden chassis, it was rotten as hell. It had a rotten engine. Oh, what do you know? That wooden van wouldn't bloody go. Alright. There you go. So that's all inside there. I don't know if you can see that very well, but there's no timber left whatsoever. I've done it all out. Complete disintegrated. You can see right down. Oh, see right down into the skirt there. There's a wall pipe there. So I'm going to hoover all this out. And I think I'm going to stick my dirty old finger up there. It's just solid there. It's solid under there. So luckily, this section, which is right behind the toilet, is not rotten. Man. Hello, treacles. It's been about a week, so that's why there's a delay between this video and the last video. Do apologise about that. But been very busy. Lots and lots of work to do, you know. Loads of work. Been working too much. But anyway, we're back in the van. Peeing down with rain outside, so hopefully none of this is leaking because it's not completely sealed up outside yet. I don't think it is though. I think if it is, it's not going to encroach too much So this is where we are. There's the corner. So new timbers in. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to rub all this down. I'm going to take this curtain rail off here, give it a good old clean out, and we're going to emulsion it first. Two-part some of these holes up, and then I'm going to use the two-part paint tomorrow after I've gunned everything up and everything. So that's my mission today, is to get a coat of paint on it and fill up any other bits that need filling. Yeah. So of course uncovered more damp. I mean, this is wet here, but it is absolutely peeing down at the moment, and we have since, well, many videos ago, watch that video, I sealed the roof and sealed the vents and everything, so I don't think it's leaking anymore. And the good thing is it is raining. It's mainly the worst bits here, but it's a little bit damp, but it's not falling to pieces. I don't think it's leaking at the moment. It would be running in if it was. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if that will dry out. I'm going to get a heater on it and see if that will dry out. If it does whilst it's raining, then we're fine. But it's luckily stops here. It's just around that area and it's not soft. So it's only been leaking more recently than some of the other stuff. Boom! Mass. Decided to clad the ceiling, so we got some continuity. I'm just going to paint that, and then once that's dry I'm going to gun it all up and fill anything that needs filling, ready for tomorrow to paint the whole room out. Yeah, boom. Tired. What's good people, YouTube people, persons. It's a Monday and we're going to continue in here. So it's all cladded, painted, undercoated if you will, gunned in, some filler on the walls. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to undercoat, well, rub down the filler first. I'm going to undercoat this stain. Top tip for you, if you've got water stains and you can't get rid of it, if you just put water-based paint like emulsion or whatever on top of a stain like that, it's just going to keep coming through. But if you use a solvent-based undercoat, then it will hold it back. So we're going to put a coat of undercoat on that after we've rubbed down the filler, and then we're going to use the two-part paint that we bought for the bathroom. So we're going to paint the whole shower tray, toilet, everything. It's going to be a brilliant white in there, including this door. The back of this door needs doing. The bed, so Harley's got her mattress in, which is great, in the bed area, but obviously there's a bit of a droop here because it's got no support there. We've took the old one out, it was rotten as well. So I'm going to build a piece that she can put in there, which she can lift out if she needs to. Yeah, anyway, that's how that's going to go. And what else today? I think that's it today. We'll probably have a good old tidy up. Need to start thinking about these cushions, but she hasn't got the fabric for that because they sent the wrong one twice. So once that's done, so I'll need to get the bathroom done. She hasn't got a tap for there yet, but it's going to take 10 days for that paint to dry, or to cure properly anyway. So we're going to get that bathroom done today, and then I'm going to leave it, shut the door on it and leave it. In here, all we can do is clean up, and there's a little bit of silicone around the floor to do stuff like that, make that bed. There's a shelf to go in the electric cupboard, and I need to box in those, and there's another USB socket that's going to go up in the bedroom area as well, somewhere. And then really it is cracking on with the outside. I've got all the underneath to do to make sure all the cables and everything are clipped up. I've got all the rust to sort out on the chassis, which isn't terrible, it just needs wire brushing off. I've got some Lanogard stuff, anyway, some rust prevention stuff to put on there, which I'm going to try out, which looks quite cool. And then it's the body as well, the shell. Whole van's being painted, so there's a lot going on. We've got 3 weeks. 3 weeks to finish this van, and more on that will be explained in later videos. But anyway, let's crack on. So there you go, I've whacked some undercoat over that stain which has covered it, as I said, but there's a few little bits I want to fill, so once that's dried I'll just do a final fill on some bits, and then we're good to go. Another day, another load of nonsense. Harley's been in there, look, doing stuff. She made the bed. We put the bed base in. She's got something growing up there. Something growing in there. Oh, something growing in there. Something growing on there. Nice and tidy. We've had a good old clean up, haven't we? Look at that, looking like a little home. And in here, it's a bit of a mess still, but all filled up, painted, ready for tomorrow. Well, there it is after 3 coats. Covers quite well actually. Don't know how durable it's going to be, but certainly looks way better. It is meant for plastic and for showers and all that, so I've done all the walls in it as well, and the ceiling, a whole lot. And I shall silicone up everything all round the bottom of that, all up each corner, whole room. So it'll be well and truly a wet room, I suppose. That's what it is, isn't it?
Hello?
I need you to end the video because I don't know how to end the video because it's just lots of me painting and stuff and it's boring. So do something really interesting so that people will come back for the next video.
Well, I've just seen loads of dust on that tap and that's really annoyed me. Oh, heck. No, it's exciting being back in here, isn't it?
Where are we?
We're in our little Grace. And yeah, just clean the fridge. That wasn't very exciting.
This isn't Harley's van, so people know.
Oh yeah, this is our van. This is Grace. This is ours. We're going to be taking it out of here 4 weeks-ish. Back on the drive for a little bit, and then hopefully within a few weeks our adventure will begin, and you can follow us on that too. Don't do that bit.
Why do they need to come back for the next video?
Because they should, so they can help us on our adventure when we have doing little bits and pieces. Do this, do that. You're not doing that right. You need to be doing this because people like to comment on that. Maybe don't put that bit.
End the video.
End the video? Well, I didn't even know you started the video. How do I end it? Goodbye.
That'll do.
I don't know what you want me to say. How is everyone? They all okay? We've missed everyone. I can't wait to get back in this van.
Have you missed everyone?
Well, I haven't spoken to anyone in ages. Oh. Well, I have, but not these lovely people. But yeah, I want to come in here now. I want to stay in it. I want to be in here. So cozy. I want to add things and do things, and I'm going to make you do some more things. Painting.
To the van?
To the van?
Yes, yeah.
Let's just get that straight. Like painting the cupboards. You've painted Harley's cupboards.
I know. Shameful.
It's very shameful because now I just keep finding little snags everywhere that I've got a list for you.
I never finished it though, did I?
No, but it's nice. But anyway, what's the plan?
We're going.
Going where?
Get some storage.
Oh yeah, we're going to look for storage, get the van back, do the last little bits, and then hopefully the adventure starts.
Yay.
Yay. Goodbye.
Bye.